Hi friends and my dear students, this is Chandrasekhar Paudi of Kalyandurg, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh, a senior citizen of India, started my YouTube channel Durgam English Coaching at the age of 74. I would like to teach simple English grammar as well as important grammar points which are given in competitive exams. I want to serve the rural talent who are very clever. Though they are very clever, they didn't have much spoken skills, writing skills, grammatical skills. That's why I started particularly for the rural students to learn what is important in English language, which is a foreign language, an international language. In Telugu language, there are 56 alphabets. In addition to the alphabets, there are gunintas, which are helpful. In Telugu, what we speak, we can write the same in writing, but whereas in English language, it is not possible. We say something, the word spelling is different, pronunciation is different. How to pronounce, how to spell the word is very critical in English language. Why? There are only 26 alphabets in English. In Telugu we have 56 alphabets which help us to speak clearly, to write clearly. In Telugu there are 14 vowels, whereas in English only 5 vowels. 5 vowels must do the work of 14 vowels. The alphabet A is pronounced as A in Rama, A in Rama. The U in cut, you pronounce as at, a, cut. Take the word put, here U is pronounced as U. So U has 2 sounds, U and A. So likewise, each vowel can be used in 4 to 5 different sounds. That's why English is very, very complicated. So teaching English also not so easy. That's why I always say that an English teacher is always a student, a learner, Nitya Vidyarthi. Every day an English teacher learns new grammatical points. So being a senior most faculty in our district with 50 years of experience in the pandemic period, in the COVID-19 period. I can't sit alone. Teaching is my passion. That's why I started Durgam English Coaching Channel. My humble request to all my friends, students, Facebook friends, WhatsApp friends, to increase my views and subscribers. Please make your friends, relatives to subscribe my YouTube channel so that I will be encouraged. I can take number of videos from micro level to macro level. Next Monday, I am starting from parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. I will explain what is noun, what is pronoun, what is adjective, what is a verb, what is an adverb, what is a preposition, what is a conjunction, what is interjection. With examples, I explain on the whiteboard so that the students and children also can take down the notes in detail and they can improve their English knowledge to compete with urban students. I also request the parents of the students to make use of my lessons. You please encourage your children, providing a smartphone that has different apps. So lastly, once again I request, please view my channel, subscribe my channel as much as possible. Thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you all.